So this was the head frame.
It looks like it just toppled right over.
Do we know what degree this is? This is pretty steep.
Yeah.
This is just off vertical. Hold on.
I'm not sure of the degree for this shaft, but
the sun has got it. It
yeah.
Doesn't. So what? How many feet?
180.
180.
70, somewhere in there.
180 feet. How many levels?
2 or 3.
Okay.
And it was worked off and on for about 50, 60 years.
Pretty remote. So we're going to rope it. As you can see, this gray area clearly is the ore body that they were after. So we got our rope all rigged up, and I guess I'm going to start down. Okay, they're standing at the bottom looking up. And I don't know where this goes from here. Okay, you want to get on rope and come on down?
Yeah, I'm going to grab a sip of water right quick and I'll be down.
Okay.
Ooh, not right there.
Okay, so that's what I mean by undercut. See what I mean? So what I did is stayed over to the right and just lean back on it.
Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go gently. Oh, I see.
Thanks for the dust, man. There you go. So what we have down here, let's go wide, is we have dust. And we have a drift going this way, but it looks, oh, there's some copper. Oh, yeah. And you're listening to Love Sounds with D. Ryan Cigaro for your cruise down the 15 on a Saturday night. So, maybe. I've got a little. Yeah. No, I don't need them. Check it out. The cable keeps going this direction. Got a little winds action right here. This wood seems kind of spongy.
What's that up ahead on the right?
It's an ore chute. Oh, there's that vein again. Right there. So yeah, there's the vein. Yeah, work your way across that thing, just kind of, you know, there's the vein there. What was this, copper, lead?
Copper, lead, and silver.
So that's it, that's the vein right there.
Whoa. Yep. Wow.
What's interesting about this is that oh yeah. 1947. So it's interesting that they would have a fully developed ore chute like this.
Careful there.
Look at the native timber up in there. They would have a fully developed ore chute like this with no apparent ore car.
So how would they haul it over and up?
I mean, no tracks, or I don't know, maybe they're just doing 5-gallon buckets. That's it.
Wow, yeah, that's a vein.
That's it. I mean, that is the whole picture right there. This is what you call a 1 out of 10. This is looking up above the ore chute. This is what you call a micro mine. What do you mean?
I don't know.
Help me get up there.
What?
Let me jump it.
Okay, go for it.
This is what, all of about 40 feet of drifting?
Yeah.
Again, there's the vein up there. I mean, there's some copper, but that, well, that copper colored stuff could be copper. We usually think of copper as green, right? But there's not a whole lot of moisture here. Come on, focus. There you go. It's having a hard time focusing on nothing. No sharp edges. Sponge-tastic. And it didn't go anywhere the other way, correct?
Correct.
Just faced out. Huh. Well, there's a 1 out of 10.
Oh boy. How'd you do that?
Just like that, man. Just, there you go. Just do it.
Okay.
No problem, right?
Not so far.